Hi guys, my name is Emelia Richter and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. There are many ways to make money in real estate, and today I am talking specifically about how to make money as a real estate agent. Being a real estate agent means you buy and sell on behalf of clients that you have. The biggest challenge is acquiring these clients and keeping them until the end of the transaction. A lot of people don't realize that real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You don't all of a sudden become an agent and then boom, you're riding around town in Rolls Royces and living in these nice fancy mansions and traveling all over the world. It takes a lot of work, a lot of hard work, a lot of determination, a lot of dedication. One way to get ahead of the game is to pay for leads. A lot of agents pay for leads. So paying for leads basically means a company will send you a list of potential people who are looking to buy or sell their home. And you have to close the deal with them by contacting them and basically impressing and charming them enough for them to want to work with you. It's not guaranteed. You have to do the legwork and close the deal with them before you even get to the closing table. These companies or lead agencies are not cheap. I remember the most expensive one I was ever offered was $2,000, and the least I've ever been offered was around $1,800. No, $1,800 a month. And none of this is guaranteed. The only thing that's guaranteed is that you're gonna get an email every week. You have to close the deal. I have come to understand the algorithm and how they get people's information, but it's not always 100% accurate. Even I get phone calls from real estate agents all the time like, hey, I heard you're looking to sell your home, or hey, are you looking for a home? I'm like, what? No, thank you. That example of a phone call is what's basically known as cold calling. Basically shooting in the dark and hoping that something will stick. It's great for a lot of real estate agents. A lot of real estate agents do it. I'm not saying cold calls are not, or lead agencies are not a good idea. I'm just saying are they worth the money, and they might not be a right fit for everyone. You can put that energy into yourself and market yourself and go straight to the lead and have a better and more accurate target. It's basically a marketing strategy. YouTube and my social media are honestly my ways of marketing. I have personal pages, I have business pages. I make sure that anything real estate has Emelia Richter attached to it. If you Google my name, my YouTube videos come up, my social media, my business pages, my websites, everything comes up. You have to brand yourself, you have to market yourself, you have to make your name your brand. What I would definitely say about making sure and how to succeed in real estate is to diversify yourself and your income. I'm not saying go out and get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs. What I'm saying is you have this extensive knowledge in real estate. You can use it in more than just one way. A lot of people specialize, or a lot of people work in niches such as foreclosures, luxury homes, and short sales. Depending on what state you live in or where you are, these niches could earn you a lot of money. So you buy and sell with your regular client, but you also are an expert in foreclosures, luxury homes, and short sales. So when people look things up like real estate agent in Columbus, luxury homes, your face pops up. There are plenty of earning opportunities available for real estate agents. You just have to diversify yourself and your income. You have this vast knowledge. You can use it in more than one field. You can make money more than one way in real estate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.